May I have the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to commence the reading of the question has been received from the Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh. It reads as number 834 PSG 2024 4490 dated 12 August 2024. Order constituent on appointment of Shri Bibhu Guru, Advocate to be additional judge of High Court of Chhattisgarh for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. Shri Roman Data, the Governor of Chhattisgarh, in pursuance of the provision of Article 219 of the Constitution of India, is pleased to appoint Shri Justice Ramesh Sinha, Chief Justice of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, is the person before whom the state person shall make and scribe an oath of affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule of the Constitution by orders of the government. Signed, Yashwant Kumar, Secretary to Government. Now, I am going to read the warrant of appointment of Honorable Sri Bibhu Datta by virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India. I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Bibhu Dutt to be an additional judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 12th day of Dutt in the year 2022, 26th Savana, 1946, Sita, in the 75th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India. In हिंदी मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू भारत की राष्ट्रपति भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 224 के खंड एक द्वारा मुझमें निहित मुद्दत द्वारा श्री श्री गुरु को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की तिथि से 2 वर्ष के लिए छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय का अपर न्यायाधीश नियुक्त करके भारत गणराज्य के 70वें वर्ष में वर्ष 2024 ईस्वी के अगस्त माह के 12वें दिन 21 श्रावण 1946 राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। राष्ट्रपति भारत की first May I now request Honorable Sri Bibhu Guru to make and subscribe oath to be administered by Honorable the Chief Justice. I, I, Bibhu Guru, having been appointed to the National Bank of the Chhattisgarh High Court, having been appointed in additional judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court, who said God, do swear in the name of God. I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India and by law established that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India and by law established. Uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. I truly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, reflection, or ill will. Perform the duties of my office without fear and favor, or ill will. To that I will uphold the Constitution and law, and that I will uphold the Constitution and law. Now I request Honorable the Chief Justice to present the warrant of appointment to Honorable Chief Justice Bibhu. Honorable Governor that is number 8 PSC 2024 4490 dated 12 August 2024. Order consequent on the appointment of Shri Amitendra Kishore Prasad appointed to be additional judge of the High Court of Chhattisgarh for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed charge of his office. 3. Norman Deka, Governor of Chhattisgarh, in pursuance of the provision of Article 290 of the Constitution of India, is pleased to appoint Sri Justice Ramesh Chandra Sinha, Chief Justice of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, the person before whom the state person shall make and subscribe an oath of submission according to the form set out for the purpose in the schedule of the Constitution by order of the Governor, signed Yashwant Kumar, Shri. Now I am going to read the warrant of appointment of Honorable Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1, Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad to be an additional judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumed of his office. Given it Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, 12 August in the year 2024, 26th Shravana, 1946 Sapa, in the 75th year of the Republic of India, signed President of India in Hindi. मैं द्रौपदी मुर्मू भारत की राष्ट्रपति भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 224 के खंड एक द्वारा मुद्रण से केसर द्वारा श्री अमितेंद्र किशोर प्रसाद को अपने पद के प्रभार संभालने की तिथि से 2 वर्ष के लिए छत्तीसगढ़ उच्च न्यायालय का अपर न्यायाधीश नियुक्त है। भारत गणराज्य के 77वें वर्ष में सन 2024 ईस्वी के अगस्त मास के 11वें दिन 21 श्रावण 1940 तक राष्ट्रपति भवन नई दिल्ली में दिया गया। द्रौपदी भारत की राष्ट्र में I now request Honorable Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad to make and subscribe oath to be administered by Honorable the Chief Justice. I I am going to search having been appointed and additional to of the Chhattisgarh High Court, having been appointed as additional judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court, do swear in the name of God, do swear in the name of God, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, but by law established, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established. I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of truly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment, that I will truly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear of favor, affection, or ill will, to perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws. Now I request Honorable Chief Justice to present warrant of appointment to Honorable Sri Justice Amitendra Kishore Prasad. My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice Shri Ramesh Sinha, and the Honorable Judges of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, Shri Umakant Singh Tandil, President Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association, Shri Ramakant Mishra, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Senior Advocates and Young Members of the Bar, Registrar General and the Registry Officer of Chhattisgarh High Court, Director Duty and the Judicial Officers of the State, members of the print and electronic media, welcome to all the distinguished guests of Honorable Justice Bibhu Guru and Honorable Justice Amitendra Kishore Prasad, who are present here today. Today, on 13th August 1947, just a couple days before the India's official independence, Chief Justice Sir Harilal Jetunsa Das Pania was appointed as the first Chief Justice of India. This appointment was made by the Federal Court, which was the highest judicial body at that time. In 1947, Mahatma Gandhi moved into Hydri Mansion, located in a right-affected area. Organ Donation Day is also celebrated every year on 13th August in India and various countries of the world. International Left-Hander Day is also observed annually on 13th August to celebrate the uniqueness and difference of the left-handed individual. On 13th August 1951, a significant milestone in India's aviation history was achieved when the Hindustan Trainer 2, the first aircraft manufactured in India, successfully completed its maiden flight. 13th August 1956, the National Highway Bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. And on this day, I take this opportunity to congratulate my Lord Justice Shri Bibhu Guru and my Lord Justice Shri Amitendra Kishore Prasad on their appointment to this August office of the High Court of Chhattisgarh, which has attained adulthood only recently. When I look at the sky in search of the shadow of Almighty, I see the fountain of blessing incessantly flowing downward from the earth upon those who seek to perform their duties with humility and sacred purity. As a firm believer of God, I strongly believe in the prescription of holy sacrament of the godliness in the entire lifespan of humanity. May we call the Almighty by any name and give any shape and color to its holiness. The light of its bright rays guides us throughout the journey. In quest for searching the truth in life and seeking justice as good children of God, the Almighty God has bestowed upon them an entirely new responsibility of administrating justice and bringing harmony in the sore relationship of litigants. I hope and trust the Almighty God would give them insight and foresight to perform this pious and noble duty. My Lord Honorable Justice Bibhu Guru was born on 7th of July 1974 at Bolangir, Odisha. He got his school education from PR High School, Bolangir, Odisha. Thereafter, he did his BCom degree from Rajendra College, Bolangir. Honorable Mr. Justice Bibhu Guru was awarded LLB degree from Hon'ble University. After completing his higher studies, my Lord Justice Guru was enrolled as an advocate on 30th of January 2000 and practiced as an advocate in the High Court of Chhattisgarh under the guidance of Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Mishra, presently Honorable Judge of Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Guru possesses great virtues partly inherited from your senior, well-known judge of the Supreme Court of India and former judge of this court, and also former Advocate General State of Chhattisgarh. Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Mishra was also leader of the bar at one point of time and a towering personality of this noble profession region. My Lord Justice Mr. B.D. Guru learned first lessons in law under the guidance of Honorable Mr. Justice Prashant Mishra, who had the fortune of learning the lessons for morality and high ethical standards in the profession. Your study and preparation of the cases were methodical, thorough, and your manners most enduring and pleasing. What made him exceptional and unique is his candidness and trust for excellence. His effort paved way for new height and dimension as he constantly guided the lawyer what is sharp and travels of the law in his own specialized manner. His clemency has won the admiration and appreciation of the legal fraternity. In the month of January 24, you were chosen to represent the cause of state by your appointment as an additional advocate general, and you served the state till your appointment as a judge. You are leaving behind a large clientele, and I am sure the junior trained by you will rise to the occasion. My Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Amitendra Kishore Prasad was born on 14/5/1969. My Lord Justice Prasad hailed from district Ranchi. His grandfather, late Shri Mathura Prasad, was an eminent lawyer who practiced in 1917 to 1960, and his father, late Shri Shyam Narayan Prasad, was retired from the post of principal. Honorable Mr. Justice did his PhD degree from Ranchi University, Ranchi in the year 1991, and thereafter my Lord Justice was graduated in law from Sambalpur University, Odisha, in the year 1996. Then he enrolled as an advocate on 26 July 2000 in the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh and later registered in State Bar Council of Chhattisgarh and practiced as an advocate in the High Court of Chhattisgarh under the guidance of former Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Sunil Kumar Sinha. In the month of March 2005 to 2006, you were represented the cause of state by your appointment as a criminal lawyer in the Office of Advocate General Chhattisgarh. Honorable Justice A.K. Prasad practiced in civil criminal arbitration and writ side at the High Court of Chhattisgarh. Ever since my professional interaction with him, his lordship as a lawyer, I found him calm and composed, the quality which I used to admire and what added my respect for him as a lawyer. Witnessing him while arguing the cases and the realization of considerable depth of his legal knowledge and wisdom, Honorable Mr. Justice Prasad is a kind-hearted man, always ready and willing to extend his sense of humor in whatever manner he can for the needy. Honorable Mr. Justice B.D. Guru and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad, it is a great privilege to welcome you on this occasion and to offer you full cooperation of the Advocate General's Office and the state of Chhattisgarh in discharge of this honorable duty of death. Your Lordship was being one of us, now you have become one in the galaxy of the eminent personality. The system of administration of justice is passing through a challenging time, and the citizens of our state have great hopes and expectations from the judiciary of bringing about the stalemate in the order. We hope, my Lord Honorable Mr. Justice Bidhu Guru and Honorable my Lord Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad would make sincere endeavor of coming clear to the expectation of the people of our state and would keep the flag of justice firmly high. Knowledge and wisdom is not limited and confined to any geographical region or person. It is the hard work of hungry soul which constantly sows the seeds of learning. Today I am sure that people of Bolangir and Ranchi will take pride that the son of their soil would take a shine in the High Court of Chhattisgarh where they would illuminate with brilliance. Modern lawyers recall Justice Barnett Boten, who said a judge stands in an interesting position with regard to lawyers who is their fellow worker starting with a great share of common interest, experience and view, he is separated like a priest. Honorable Mr. Justice B.D. Guru and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad, we hope you are coming as a priest in the temple of justice, holding the sword of justice, knowing fully well the sword of justice in the hands of goddess of justice and not in the hands of a mortal judge, as quoted by the former Justice of India, Mr. V. Chandrachud, in Dr. Farooq Abdullah's case. I would like to end my reference by wishing the Honorable Mr. Justice D.D. Guru and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad greater success in their stint in the High Court. I do hope you will offer many landmark judgments to guide us. I also wish and hope that you will be able to impart justice to the common man and make a difference to their life. I wish Honorable Mr. Justice D.D. Guru and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad great happiness and success in all their endeavors. By summing up, I refer the quote of great philosopher Confucius: "The superior man is the modest in his speech, but exceeds in his action." This is squarely applicable to our honorable judges. I am offering hearty felicitation and good wishes to the Honorable Mr. Justice B.D. Guru and Honorable Mr. Justice A.K. Prasad on their appointment as Judge of Chhattisgarh High Court, with they richly deserve being eminently qualified for the reason of their rich, wide, and varied experience. I, on behalf of my brethren in my office, ex officio chairman of Bar Council of Chhattisgarh, on behalf of the legal fraternity of the state, and on behalf of the state government, which represents the will of the people, welcome you with warm feelings and sense of commitment to the best of our ability and concern to assist the constitutional custodian and deliver the relief of the people at large. Thank you, Jai. Hind. My Lord, the Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Sinha, Honorable Judges of the High Court, Honorable Justice Sri Bibhu Datta Guru, Honorable Justice Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad, Sri N. Bharat, Advocate General and Representative of the State Bar Council of Chhattisgarh, Sri Ramakant Mishra, Deputy Solicitor General of India in Chhattisgarh, officers of the registry and Jyoti, respected spouse, spouses of the honorable judges present here, respected Madam Guru, respected Madam Prasad, all the respected relatives, and respected Madam Mishra, respected senior advocates, my seniors, and colleagues at the bar. Today is very joyous occasion that two learned members of our bar are elevated as Judge of High Court, Chhattisgarh. Heart swells with pride when one of our own achieves a milestone, and what greater milestone it would be to be bestowed with responsibility and duty of duty of dispensing justice. Honorable Justice Shri Guru was born on 7 July 1974 to Sri Shovakar Guru and led Srimati Saudamini Guru at Balangir, Orissa. Justice Guru's father was a teacher who inculcated strong values of morality and discipline in him. From his late mother, Justice Guru was received qualities of compassion and pity. Honorable Justice Guru completed his schooling at Balangir and went on to complete BCom honor from Rajendra College, Balangir. As destiny had something big from him, Honorable Justice Guru went on to pursue law from Balangir Law College, Sambalpur University, and enrolled as advocate with the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh on 30th January 2000 and started practicing in the chamber of Honorable Justice Sri Prashant Mishra, now Judge, Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Sri Guru made Bilaspur as his home when on 1st of November 2000 our state of Chhattisgarh was founded and High Court was inaugurated. And then with the dent of hard work and resilience, made name for himself in the High Court, mainly in the original side, the jurisdiction along with appellate side also. Honorable Justice Guru was appointed as the Additional Advocate General of Government of Chhattisgarh on 16/1/24, in which capacity he had served till yesterday. Justice Guru has represented the Standing Council and impaneled advocate prestigious institutions like UPSC, Election Commission of India, CGPSC, and also NTPC, Bhilai Steel Plant, Airport Authority of India, SBI, Central Bank of India, Municipal Corporation, Korba, CSPDCL, NRDA, amongst others. Justice Guru has a very pleasant personality. In his long practice, we have never heard any harsh word from him or anybody, be it bar or bench. Honorable Justice is, in fact, an Ajat Satru in the bar with malice towards none. My Lord has always contributed to the cause of the bar, and now his contribution will be for the cause of justice. I hope that Honorable Justice Guru, with his qualities of compassion and hardness, will bring new dawn in our High Court. Honorable Justice Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad was born on 14th May 1969 to let Shri Shyam Narayan Prasad and let Srimati Motimala Prasad. Let father of Justice Prasad was professor and later on principal from whom Honorable Justice Prasad has got his habit of studying deeply any matter. Honorable Justice Prasad comes from the family of eminent lawyer led Sri Mathura Prasad, who was his grandfather. Genes of grandfather have been received by grandson. Honorable Justice Prasad did his BSc Botany honor from Ranchi University and his LLB from Sambalpur University in 1999. Thereafter, Honorable Justice Prasad was enrolled as an advocate on 26/7/2000 with the Madhya Pradesh State Bar Council and on foundation of Chhattisgarh transferred his sanat to Chhattisgarh State Bar Council. Here at High Court, Justice Prasad joined the chamber of former Chief Justice of High Court of Sikkim, Justice Sri Sunil Kumar Sinha, and with his great determination and hard work, carved out a place for himself in High Court. Honorable Justice Prasad has extensive practice in civil, criminal, and writ jurisdiction of our High Court. Honorable Justice Prasad, as an advocate, was mild mannered and gentlemanly resolved in his argument. Honorable Justice Prasad was once upon a time in 2005 and 6, 5, 6 was panel lawyer of Government of Chhattisgarh and was also impaneled with BSNF. As judge of the High Court, Honorable Justice Prasad has enormous responsibility of balancing the scales of justice, which I know he will do with same grit and determination which he had in his advocacy. I myself and on behalf of member of Chhattisgarh High Court Bar Association congratulate Honorable Justice Shri Bibhu Datta Guru and Honorable Justice Shri Amitendra Kishore Prasad on their new journey as judges of High Court of Chhattisgarh and extend my good wishes for their future. जय हिंद जय Lord Honorable Justice Sri Amitendra, Chief Justice of High Court of Chhattisgarh, and all the State Honorable Judges of the Court of Appeal. Sri Prabhu and Bharat, Mr. Naggopajan, State of Chhattisgarh, and Institute Subcommittee of State Bar Council. Umakant Singh Tande, President, High Court Bar Association, last. The Star General, all judicial officers, title duty, senior advocates, respected member of the bar, senior and juniors, family members of the relative and relatives of Honorable Sri Justice Prabhudat Guru and Sri A.K. Prasad. District Magistrate Bilaspur, Sri Administering SP Bilaspur, members of print electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is with great pride and pleasure that I stand before you this afternoon to say a few words on the occasion when two of distinguished personalities of our legal fraternity, Sri Bibhu Datta Guru and Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad are being shown as judge of our regular. I, along with all officers of Government of India, congratulate your lordships serving as a judge of this respected institution. Justice Sri Bibhu Datta Guru was born on 7/7/1974 at district Balangir. Sri Guru, the son of Sri Sowakar Guru and late Srimati Saudamani Guru, father of Sri Guru was the headmaster. Sri Honorable Justice Guru did his graduation BCom honors from Rajendra College, Balangir, and did his MD from Balangir Law Collegium, Hon'ble University. Thereafter enrolled as an advocate on 31st of January 2000. The State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh and started practice as an advocate, High Court of Madhya Pradesh and Jabalpur, and on 5th of November 2006 at Bilaspur. He continued his practice career throughout Chhattisgarh High Court. Sri Guru practiced in civil, criminal, service matters, constitutional matters, and well as various state and central institutions. Sri Guru is starting his duties as Additional Advocate General of State of Chhattisgarh since 16 January 2024 to his appointment as Judge of High Court. Honorable Justice Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad was born on 14th of May 1969. Sri Prasad, the son of Sri late Shyam Narayan Prasad and late Srimati Motiwala Prasad. Father of Sri Prasad was retired principal. Sri Prasad grandfather Mathura Prasad was an eminent lawyer who practiced since 1917 to 1960. Sri Prasad did his graduation in BSc Botany Honours from Ranchi University, Jharkhand, and in year 1991 he did his LLB from Sambalpur University, Odisha. Thereafter, he enrolled as an advocate from 26 July 2000 in the State Bar Council of Madhya Pradesh and practiced with Sri Sunil Kumar Sinha, who elevated as judge of High Court of Chhattisgarh and subsequently became a Chief Justice of Sikkim High. Sri Prasad practiced in civil, criminal, arbitration, and claim cases and represented Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, and also practiced as a penal advocate State of Chhattisgarh from March 2005 to 2006. My law for having humble and noble personality, my law of strong qualities and proficiency, and I am certain that Honorable Justice Guru and Honorable Justice Nityan Prasad will the rule of which will do the best to best deliver justice and safeguard the spirit of constitution. I, as a representative of Union of India and on behalf of Field Officer of Central Government, I with immense pride and extending best wishes and warm welcome to Honorable Justice Sri Bibhu Datta Guru and Honorable Justice Sri Amitendra Kishore Prasad as Judge of this tribunal. Say, my Lord Honorable, my Lord Honorable, the Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Sinha, all the judges of the Honorable High Court and their revered spouses, the couple and other non-associate Sinha, which is Chairman of the Bar Council, Sri Umakant Singh Chandil, President, High Court Bar Association, Sri Ramakant Mishra, Chief Solicitor General, Union of India, Registered General Officer of the Registry, Director, Chhattisgarh State Judicial Academy and the officers of the Academy, respected senior advocates, learned members of the bar, respected guests, members of print and electronic media. At the outset, I offer my deep veneration to Almighty God, whose lotus feet is prostrate for showering His divine grace by conferring this august responsibility to me. I am moved by the kind words expressed by everyone in my elevation as the judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Ramesh Sinha, Honorable Sri Justice Gautam Madhuri, and Honorable Sri Justice Sanjay Khatwal, esteemed members of the Collegium, who were generous in considering me fit for this august office. I am extremely thankful to Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Sri Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, and Justice Bhutan Ramakrishna Gawai, Honorable members of the Supreme Court Collegium. Today, as I accomplish this pivotal milestone, poignantly remember my late mother's journey these days, but I am fortunate to enough to share this momentous day with my father, Sri Subhakar Guru, with whose blessing and unconditional support I have been able to achieve my professional and personal feat. It is my pleasant duty to pay my respect and eternal gratitude to my senior, gently honorable judge, Supreme Court of India, Sri Prashant Kumar Mishra, who has distinct Srimati Vijaya Mishra under whose tutelage and blessing I commenced my career. Honorable Justice Mishra truly inspired me with fortitude, honesty, and instilled in me an inclination towards diligently. Paul Peter was expressing speaking to my wife Neha for unwavering support to my endeavors and unstinting strength with the demanding schedule of an advocate. I am thankful to her for providing me with this strength against all odds. Thanks are equally due to my parents and Dr. Amit, who have always extended their absolute support. They have been through thick with me by time, even when difficult. I find myself fortunate to have the blessing and students of my father-in-law, Sri Atul Kumar Panda, and mother-in-law, Srimati Krishna Panda. I extend my profound thanks to my siblings, brothers-in-law, and my sister-in-law for moral support and help with us that have told me. My special appreciations and acknowledgement for my colleagues, friends in the High Court with whom I have spent most of my life now. A request for the fullest cooperation from the member of the staff which can only perform its functions in conjunction with the support of the law. As I step into this esteemed this today, I seek blessings from Hon'ble the Chief Justice, company and judges of this court, my seniors, teachers, colleagues, and all members of the court. I pray to God He gives me the wisdom and ability to summon enough strength, the opportune moment to uphold the oath that I have undertaken today. With the prestige of these allowed courtrooms in fact and discharge the responsibilities conferred upon me to the best of my ability. Thank you. Thank you. My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Sister and Brother Brothers, former judges of this Honorable Court, Sri Kapul and Bharat, Learned Advocate General, and Associate Chairman of State Bar Council of Approval, Sri Ramakant Mishra, Benedictine Solicitor General of India, Sri Makan Singh Chandra, President of the High Court Bar Association, then senior advocates and members of the bar, officers and staff of the ministry, print and electronic media representatives, ladies and gentlemen. Then overwhelmed by the time and campus work of these and dignitaries, it's a great honor and privilege to be elected as judge of the High Court of India. I stand in the faith to Almighty God
for blessing me with this opportunity to serve the state by being a part of the leadership. At the outset, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court and the Collegium of the Honorable High Court, comprising Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice Gautam, Honorable Chief Justice Sanjay K, who have considered me worthy to holding the office of the judge in this High Court. And I'm also grateful to all the Honorable judges of the court with whom I have had the privilege to appear as an advocate. I'm grateful to my parents, like Shyamla and Prasad, and with Mukumala Prasad, as without their selfless love, teaching, and presence, I would not have attained this position. My journey as an advocate began in the year 2000 when the state of Chhattisgarh was burned out, and under the noble guidance of my senior and later, Honorable Sri Justice Kumar Singh, I learned the process of the law. I would like to thank him for his blessings and guidance which brought me here today. The person who always remained by my side in my ups and downs of my life, in my wrongs, yet who is extremely caring and has sacrificed a lot. From core of my heart, I thank you for the utmost support in my career. It has helped me in reaching this milestone. I have received continuous love, support, and cooperation from my son, Sasha, and my beloved daughter, Arun. I am thankful to all my brothers, sisters, sister-in-law, and brother-in-laws, and other relatives for their support and I will especially mention this support by my brother-in-law Advocate Kishore, who have been there since the inception of my career in this field. He has always supported and encouraged. I am also thankful to my family members and relatives, some of whom are not present here today, for their kind and affection, and also to my colleagues, Sri Risikant Mohabia, among the surroundings, Prabhas, Ketna, Simran Kaur, Srikant, Atul, Rudnanand Patel, and Gajendra, who always stood by my side and assisted me in all this. It is not possible to name all those who have contributed a lot in my life, and because of whom I have reached this position today. But I would definitely thank all of them for their unflinching support and cooperation extended to me, who have played a pivotal role in one another way in different stages of my life. My heart is filled with gratitude to the members of the bar who constantly give friction, cooperation, and love during my practice as an advocate in this school. I trust that the members of the bar will continue to extend the same to never leave me to perform the constitutional duty of extension of justice. I shall ensure judicial integrity, discipline, and independence, and will make every endeavor to discharge my duties with utmost honesty, keeping these virtues and qualities in my mind. I shall make every possible effort to fulfill the oath I have taken for extension of justice to the best of my knowledge and ability. I once again convey my thanks to all of you for attending the oath ceremony and for showering blessings me on this special occasion. Thank you, Jay.
May I have the permission of Honorable the Chief Justice to conclude the proceedings of court? Yes. With permission of Honorable the Chief Justice, I conclude the proceedings of court and request your Lordship and distinguished guest and member bar to take light assessment in honor of the Honorable Sri Justice Bibhu with Guru and Honorable Sri Justice Amitendra Kishore Prasad. I am very grateful to all honorable judges, the distinguished guests, and other dignitaries for their gracious presence on this occasion.